All right, guys, welcome back to part two of lesson 3.1 and the wrap up of the previous lesson two that we didn't get to. Tessa plays her favorite song several times. It takes 16 minutes to play it 4 times. Complete the table to find how many minutes it takes Tessa to play the song different number of times. So let's plug into the table what we know already, and they've already done that for us down here. So that's what we started with. Now let's call minutes my y variable and call the number of plays an x variable. And remember, I told you the formula for the constant of proportionality is y divided by x. So if I go down to what I know, which was the 16 minutes for playing the song 4 times, my k equals 16 divided by 4, which equals 4. So my constant of proportionality, my COP, also known as K, equals 4. So now once I know my constant of proportionality, I can figure out what are they asking us? How many times it takes Tessa to play the song for different number of times. So let's say we're looking for time. And it looks like number of times is my x. And every time I play the song, I use 4 minutes. Let me write it correctly so I don't confuse you. All right, so it should be y equals kx, which means my k is 4, and there's my x. It's not an equation I've shown you yet, but the equation when you're writing one goes in the formula of y equals kx, where y is how much time it takes for her to play the song x number of times. So if I've got time equals 4x, I can substitute any number for the number of time she plays the record to get how much total time it takes. So if she plays the record 10 times, it's 4 times 10, which means if she played that record 10 times, it's going to take her 40 minutes in total. So 4 times 10 is 40. Okay, so the total amount of time it takes her to play that song 10 times is 40, because the constant of proportionality is 4. If I never play the song, I never use any minutes, right? So that's why that's 0. If I play the song once, I use 4 minutes. If I use 8 minutes, that means I'm playing the song twice. Playing the song 3 times gets me to 12. Playing the song 4 times gets me to 16 minutes, because every time you play the song, you add another 4 minutes to the total amount of time. All right. Now we're going to skip down to the bottom, and it says write an equation to show the number minutes m Tessa spends playing the song t times. Okay. So I've kind of already written, except it's giving you very specific variables to use this time. So it's saying write an equation to show the number of minutes Tesla spins play the song. That's bad English. Tesla spins play the song T times. So each time I play the song is 4, and now it's telling me to use that variable T. So no different than what I wrote up here. They just changed the variable. The number of minutes M equals 4 times the number of songs. Okay?